Hello everyone, my name is Preston and I'm with the St. Clairsville Public Library, and today I'll be showing you how to use Kanopy, the new digital media service that the library is providing. First go to our website at stclibrary.org and then scroll down the page until you see the link for Kanopy. Once selected, the link will take you to the St. Clairsville Public Library Kanopy login page. Next, press Add Library Card. Now enter your library card number, followed by your PIN number. Your PIN number should be the last 4 digits of your phone number. Once you've entered this, press Continue. Now you'll be asked to enter your first name, your last name, an email address, and a password unique for this site. Once this is done, select Sign Up. You now have access to Kanopy with 10 film viewings per month, as well as unlimited access to Kanopy Kids and great courses. To start, click Watch Now. This will load you into your account. You will see that a verification email has been emailed to you. To activate your account, simply go to your email, open up the email message from Kanopy, and select Verify Email. You're now ready to begin enjoying Kanopy. Kanopy offers a wide variety of independent and foreign films, including classics, film festival award winners, and cult favorites. You can browse through Kanopy's wide collection of videos, or you can use the search option, or you can use the browse options. There is also a Kids section. To access this, go to Kanopy Kids. Now all content will be children friendly. To find out more about a title, hover over top of its image to get a small description of the title. You can also add this to a list to watch later, or select Watch Now. Once selected, a title will be displayed, and if a series, its episodes will be contained below. To play, simply select Play Episode 1. To exit the Kids section, simply select Exit Kanopy Kids. You are now ready to begin enjoying Kanopy.